No change.
Okay. I already made a bad choice, guys. This is the... Got him. Griffon, bro. Bro. I reset. I died a total 65 times while beating this game, which is not good, by the way. Yeah, 65 tries, guys, is not good at all. Widowmaker. Yes! Okay.
Never did like him much.
Let's go, baby. Guys, this is the ending of the game. That was good, I guess. Wait, I got invincibility. Wait, what? You just unlocked the cheat. Wait, what? Hold on. Wait, guys, I unlocked the cheat? Hold on. Hold on. But yeah, we still gotta do these challenges right here, so yeah, but guys, we already beat this game, but I just wanted to get this one done. I show you the ending, guys, this game. But yeah, this complete the level in 1 minute. That was honestly pretty tough. I mean, the fact that bro has literally a scorpion gun, which is the most overpowered gun out of all of them. But guys, if you, I recommend this game. It's really good. So, anyways, I'll play with the cheat, I guess, maybe next video. But yeah, anyways, bye guys.